every type of liquor over here to the table. Any bottle? We got Weezy, Bus, Pain, and Diggy.
Blame it
Over
on
here.
got you feeling loose. The control, blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the
So what can you say?
What about the alcohol?
No.
What about who?
About you.
About you.
About you.
So,
So what can you say?
good evening.
Good evening. Good morning. Good afternoon.
No one tell them what we did today.
Okay. OMG, we saw lots of
B.O.
Boy.
no girl.
No boys.
Okay. I thought boy ago. She or he is so cute. Wearing leggings and cute dummies.
You know, we're all the talk shits there. Especially Miss Sarah May Calyang Mataliano
Hello.
and Eloise Heidi Flores Carranza.
What's
Thank you
her?
very much. Next question.
So what can you say, dude? What I was having? So boring.
I'm speechless. My God.
I wanna sleep now. But you know we went to Green Hills a while ago.
Yeah, and then
What did we say? Today's Friday and it's RG and I so love it. Yay. So what can you say?
what can I say? I'm speechless.
Really? So speechless. It's really. Ayan.
Oh my, ano ba? Hi, Romel! Yes, Tia. Mr. Romel Del Santos. Yes, Romel Del Santos.
Okay. Hi, Adrian Abdullah Ruiz from her. You don't know my name. If you know my name, just text
Or call.
0947-34-123-57-8371.
5462. No, 3584.
Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you got that.
Yeah.
So you should text us
Yeah.
right now. So
Are you signing off?
no, later, alligator. So what's up, ketchup?
So I need to go home now. Because my dad will kill me.
For now, he add me in Facebook.
And add me, what's your email on Facebook?
Secret.
Asaka.
So what can you say?
So let's just say bye.
Bye bye. No, I don't
This
think
is
so.
for the people.
It's not somebody, your best friend, your baby, your man, your baby. Alcohol, yes.
So we're like kind of drunk, but we're not
No,
drunk.
I'm not drunk.
Just like kind of.
No.
Yeah.
So how are you?
So what's up? Gawa mo.
Let's play Dora the Explorer. Woo!
Dora.
Dora. Dora the Explorer. Dora.
Tell me we do like
Dora.
Need your help, Tig.
Where's your
back. Let's go.
You can lead away.
Hey, hey.
Dora. Dora.
Dora.
Suffer no sleeping.
Oh, man. Dora the Explorer.
So, hey, Boots.
Hey, Dora.
How
Why
are
did I
you?
be the monkey? Because I am the cool.
So, Boots, what did you do today?
I ate bananas, then I slept, then I ate bananas. So what did you do today, Dora?
I went to visit SpongeBob.
Oh,
And,
the bisexual. Yeah, the
and I saw
bisexual.
Patrick. He's so
The also
cute.
bisexual. Yeah.
But I love him more than SpongeBob.
And you saw Squidward.
No, I just saw his nose.
Oh, the big nose.
Yeah. How about Mr. Crab?
Yeah.
And Plankton. Hey, I saw Plankton.
Really? Even if
Yeah,
it's
in
really
Green
small?
Hills. I saw Plankton in Green
God.
Hills. And
Actually, we stepped on him. So, condolence to the Plankton family.
No, I think it's a false plankton.
His real name is Sheldon James.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I saw it in one of the.
That's so good. Oh yeah, it's Sheldon.
Hey, Sheldon.
And I saw another plankton a while ago, and it's color purple, and it's big, like bigger than me.
Yeah, like, oh my god.
My effing god! And
One more time. 1, 2, 3.
oh my effing god! And who did I see a while ago?
We saw an actress. What's that? What's the name of the girl?
Secret! You'll have to know that. So text again. 6948-123-972-3-55997-62919-789545. Okay? Hope you got that.
Or email us at kung magpapauto ka, ututo ka talaga.com.
I think that's wrong.
What?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Like right and left.
Yeah. And up and down.
So,
Knock you down. Knock you
why is it
down.
another song now?
Yeah. What is this? What is this?
What's happening? Hey, you know, we had done a while ago.
Yeah. Done.
I got
Don.
the Stepan Don and Teriyaki Boy, and you got
That's Dawn.
Dawn. So,
So,
speaking of Dawn, we're now done.
yeah.
Okay? Okay, goodbye.
1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my effing god. Okay, bye.